To remove the wiper blade, start by lifting the wiper arm to the vertical position. Push the tabs to release the wiper blade from the wiper arm. Before lowering the wiper arm, place a cloth on your windshield to avoid damage. If your wiper blade includes the innovative wear indicator, remove the yellow sticker from the blade. Insert the tab into the adapter. Push down until you feel a click to ensure the wiper blade securely attaches to the wiper arm. Gently lower your newly installed wiper blade. Repeat previous steps to install your passenger side wiper blade. Test to ensure your new wiper blades are installed properly.